Okay, so for anybody that has an '06 to 2010 Dodge Charger SXT 3.5 liter V6 and you need to replace your starter, on the contrary to what people say, you do not have to remove your steering shaft. The easiest way I have found to do it is remove the driver's side collector pipe that runs right there and wires in and goes to the back. So you undo that bolt there, take this bracket off that connects both sides of the collectors, and then you put your foot on your muffler, which I do not have, push the exhaust that way and pull the whole entire exhaust that way to get the connection here popped off. Once you have this connection popped off, you pull it towards your front bumper to pull it out there, drop it to the ground, and then you have all the room to unbolt your starter. Once you unbolt your starter, there is a line right here. It's a hard line with a rubber here and rubber down there. There is a bracket right here below your starter with a bolt. Take that bolt out so it can move freely, and then you just take your starter and you twist the solenoid up towards the block. You bring the back side after you, of course you got to get the cables off first. I forgot to mention that. Twist the solenoid up towards the block. You bring the front side down towards the wheel, around the line, and then you literally just do a 180 with it and it comes out. As easy as can be. And then you just reverse all of that to get the new one in. You go in just the same way. It's not easy to do one-handed. Okay, almost got it. But you have to take that bolt out right there, because that line will definitely get in your way. So I've watched a few videos and all of them have said, even the shortcut videos, the lazy, how they quote unquote say the lazy way is to just unbolt your steering shaft. There, it's in. Unbolt your steering shaft. Of course I gotta pull it back out and route this cable back over to the top so I can connect it. You don't have to remove this. I had attempted to do that. That's why this bolt here is loose. I got to tighten it back up. But in order to remove this, I was going to have to unbolt my steering rack and drop it a little bit so this could slide off from both angles, from both ends. And I've removed my collector before and found that it's easy. You just got two bolts here. They usually break pretty damn easy. I haven't had any issues. And then you unscrew your O2 sensor, and then you unbolt it from down there, take that bracket off, and you can get to your starter. Hope this helps. Good luck.